Diddy's trial just took a dramatic, unexpected turn. And it's all because of one man, Ben Chew. That's right, the same Ben Chew who helped Johnny Depp win one of the most watched celebrity trials in recent history. Now he's stepping into a legal firestorm already shaking Hollywood to its core and turning up the heat on Sean Diddy Combs. Diddy didn't see it coming, and according to insiders close to the music mogul, he's not just surprised, he's absolutely livid. Because Ben Chew isn't here to play defense. He's here to set the tone. And the moment he walked into the courtroom, the tone shifted. People sat up, eyebrows raised, phones went silent. And when he finally spoke, the entire courtroom leaned in. We put Johnny on the stand because he was telling the truth. That made it an easy decision. Truth holds up. And if you're not telling the truth, skilled attorneys will tear you apart. I believe in that system. That wasn't just commentary. It was a warning, a legal shot across the bow. And when pressed about Diddy, Chew didn't flinch. Given that video, he has to explain it. He has to say he's sorry, that it was an aberration, that it's not who he is. That video, the one that shattered Diddy's public image in a matter of seconds, grainy, silent, unforgiving. No music, no edits, no PR spin, just Diddy, shoving, kicking, and dragging singer Cassie Ventura down the hallway of a luxury Los Angeles hotel. No sound. Just raw, painful clarity. And for many people watching, that was all they needed. Now the courtroom is on edge. Tension crackles with every paper shuffle, every side glance, and every move, every word is under a microscope. When the judge announced that Ben Chew would be brought in, Diddy lost it. No heads up, no warning. Just a new adversary with a reputation for flipping the script. Why does it matter? Because Chew's presence alone shifts the momentum, even before opening arguments begin. In court, he reminded everyone what's really on the line. Mr. Depp built a reputation as one of Hollywood's most talented actors. Today, his name is associated with a lie, and it took years to get that truth back. And here's the thing. We're only on day 3 of jury selection, and the courtroom already feels like a pressure cooker. 6 of potential jurors walked in. By lunch, 49 were already dismissed. The screening questions were sharp, surgical. Where do you get your news? What do you think of Diddy? Can you block out the headlines and focus only on the evidence? Some couldn't. One woman said the hotel video made her physically sick. Another called it damning. No hesitation. Both gone. Now, only 35 remain. So far, 19 jurors have been provisionally accepted. The goal? 45. Before the real cuts begin. Among them, 2 women who've survived sexual assault. A woman who nervously admitted she once shoplifted a Harry Potter wand from Universal Studios. Every detail matters. Every backstory could tip the balance. Then, the twist. The judge invited Ben Chew to speak on how high-profile trials unfold. The room froze. Diddy's team, reportedly blindsided. Chew didn't hold back. Not every client can afford jury consultants or digital investigators, but Diddy can. His team is likely tracking every juror's social media, online behavior, even their Reddit comments. Jurors are already cracking. One woman admitted she always sides with victims, dismissed. Another asked to be removed, citing emotional triggers. Unlike most celebrity trials, people aren't eager to serve. Because this isn't tabloid drama, it's criminal. It's about abuse, trafficking, and graphic documented evidence. And Diddy, he's not the unshakable mogul he once was. Observers say his hair looked grayer, his movements stiff, his voice wavering. At one point, he stood and said, "Sorry, Your Honor, I'm a little nervous today." He should be, because Ben Chew is already 5 steps ahead, playing the long game. You want jurors who are eager to serve, That could mean they're more open to a celebrity like Diddy. I'd want more men. Not because men condone abuse, but because women may carry more emotional weight in a case like this. I'd lean younger. Older jurors might not relate to Diddy's world. He even broke down media habits. If jurors follow TMZ or Rolling Stone, it might help Diddy. But if they watch Law and Crime Network, that's a red flag. This Friday marks the start of peremptory strikes, when lawyers can cut jurors without stating a reason, as long as it's not based on race or gender. But all of that strategy, all of the preparation, could be shattered by one thing: that Cassie Ventura video. That's the problem, Chu said. Whether they've seen it or not, they will during the trial, and it's highly damaging for Diddy. And it doesn't end there. Prosecutors say Cassie wasn't just fleeing abuse. She was escaping a drug-fueled sex party. Diddy allegedly called it a freak-off. A sex worker may have been involved, which ties directly into the more serious charges: sex trafficking, racketeering, federal crimes. This isn't about headlines anymore. This is about hard time behind bars. As opening arguments approach, Chu delivered one final warning. Every second Diddy is in that courtroom, at least one juror, probably more, will be watching him. He needs to act like he's testifying the entire time. Body language, eye contact. How he reacts when Cassie's name is mentioned, how he looks when that video plays, every sigh, every blink, every flinch. It matters. One juror was removed just for working at HBO, the network that aired a Diddy documentary. Another, with ties to a defense group, stayed. Now the chessboard is nearly set. Final cuts are coming. Opening statements are close. And the courtroom is bracing for a war. Ben Chu believes the next 72 hours could decide everything. 12 jurors, one courtroom, one decision, and every single second counts. The battle has only just begun, and we'll be here to break down every explosive moment, every twist, every truth revealed. If you want real updates, unfiltered, raw, and razor sharp, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell, because in this case, silence isn't just dangerous, it's complicit.